Learn English with Om Nom.
Hello, Om Nom. Om Nom loves to make new friends. Let's make new friends just like Om Nom. Let's see how he does it. Ooh, he's covering himself in leaves and making himself into a ball. Look, he's being dropped into the nest. A candy! Oh, what a surprise. And he's made a new friend. Bye, friend. Ooh, and now where is he? In a tunnel? Some new friends may be shy. But you need to be brave to show them how to be brave too. That's right, Om Nom. You can show your shy friend to be brave just like you. Excellent. Ooh, Om Nom spotted a candy. Uh-oh, he's got himself in a little bit of a pickle. But that's okay because some new friends want to help. That's right, Om Nom. You've made another new friend. It's good to help each other, Om Nom. Don't you think? You can help your friend too. That's right. Friends really like it when you trust them. Trust is really important. Oh, look! Om Nom has spotted another candy! And this time it's on a lily pad. Hop, 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 hop along. You know, sometimes it's actually your new friends that need help, not you. For example, this one, stuck under a rock. It's good to help your friends. That's right, Om Nom. You can take the rock away. Lift it up. Brilliant! Oh, your friend is so relieved. And isn't it great to keep making so many new friends? Look, they're helping you now. You got your candy and made a new friend. Om Nom likes all his new friends, and it's so much fun to make new friends. Bye-bye.
Subscribe. Click to watch more.